Hello everyone, it's Carbs here with the latest tool I've currently been working on. LiveBlock Preview is an app for your PC. It's designed to show an almost real-time preview of your textures on a 3D cube while you work on them. The textures are simply applied to the cube by dragging and dropping them from your file explorer onto the cube's sides. Once a texture has been applied, the application will remember its file location. Anytime you save or export the image, LiveBlock Preview will automatically update the texture that appears on the sides of the cube. This being a 3D preview, you can look at any of the sides of the cube at any given time by simply clicking and dragging on the cube. Feel free to also get a closer look using your scroll wheel, which is used to zoom in and out. There are many options in the settings menu that you can tinker with. Simply right-click to bring up the settings menu. Most of these are pretty obvious, so I'll let you try them out for yourself. There are also a couple of quick options featured at the top of the window here. By clicking CM, this will toggle compact mode. This mode is especially useful for working on your textures as it displays a much smaller, efficient preview. It's meant to be like the thumbnail preview we're all used to in most image creation software. If you click BG up here, you can even toggle the background off so that it is see-through. I've found this quite useful during live streams and recording videos to be able to capture the preview to maybe showcase or feature what you're working on. If you need help or extra information, clicking on the question mark will open up the built-in help screen. As always, feel free to reach out to myself as well if there is something not covered in this help screen. At this point, I'd like to give a quick shout out to everyone that has been showing interest in my projects and tools. You guys are really great, and it warms my heart to see everyone's comments on how they enjoy what I've created. I would also like to give a huge shout out to those who have not only shown interest, but have also paid or left a tip while picking up one of my tools, or checking out some of my projects. If you didn't know, all of my projects are free or at very little cost, so everyone can make use of them, and it's because of those who have given the extra support that make this possible. It's truly amazing that you've found the tools useful enough to leave a tip while downloading. Again, thank you everyone. Your support is amazing. Okay, let's get back to the settings menu for a quick moment. Opening up the Select BG color, you'll be able to customize the background to any color that you may like. You can even save your favorite colors as a preset by clicking the plus icon. If you ever want to remove a color, simply select that color and click the minus icon. The color presets will be saved for you, ready to use each time you load up LiveBlock Preview. By default, there's a slight gradient in the background. You can change this to a flat, solid color if you like with this toggle here. One last little tip I have for you guys is regarding the texture previews over on the side here. With the window in focus, you can control left click on any of these textures to open up your folder that the texture is in, hopefully making it very easy to open up the texture and get back to working on it. I hope you guys find this little tool quite useful. I would love to see what you do with it. Leave a comment below if you do use it, as I'd love to see your work. You can also send me a tweet at CarbsCode on Twitter if you'd like to share off. Share off? Sheriff! What the? Sheriff! Sheriff, there's been a robbery. You can send me a tweet at CarbsCode on Twitter if you would like to show off some of your awesome art. I think it'd be very cool to have a showcase of different blocks someday. If you'd like to check out this tool or any of my other projects, I've left links below in the description, so be sure to check them out and let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, that's all I've got, so hope to see you again next time with more tools and projects. So until next time, I hope you all stay creative and have a wonderful day.